You see, this is the moment where blood pressure is usually higher than the RPM the engine can achieve. Car ownership in India feels like this.
But look at me. I'm calm, composed, and genuinely don't care about the traffic at all, despite being in kilometers long traffic jam. I have errands to run, places to be, and even need to catch up with a friend. I know I'm going to be super fresh.
As soon as I get some space in the traffic, the buttery smooth 1 liter turbo petrol engine is like a booster shot, helping me fill the gaps in the traffic.
The best part, this 1 liter TSI engine is available right from the base variant, and speaking of which, the base classic variant was so much in demand that Skoda actually had to halt bookings temporarily and even introduced a new classic plus variant to cater to such high demand.
Fun fact, the Kailak is one of the most accessible cars in India with a full-fledged torque converter automatic transmission.
Having a torque converter means smooth yet quick shifts and ease of use. My left leg and knee bless me for choosing such a sensational gearbox.
Surely, more things are helping me keep cool in this infuriating situation.
And that's the automatic climate control, ventilated front seats, and cool beverages courtesy of the cooled glove box.
Keeping calm in the traffic also means ensuring that you have the shortest route possible.
This 25.6 centimeter infotainment touchscreen gives me all the information that I need in a very crisp and clear manner, and it ensures that I don't miss any opportunity of avoiding traffic. The 20.32 centimeter virtual cockpit is so clean that I can clearly see the speeds that I'm doing.
The coolness quotient of the Kailak doesn't even end there. I don't need wires for my phone anymore either.
Wireless charging? Check. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay? Check and check. And the electric sunroof just makes the cabin feel a little bit more airy and special.
Even in a departmental store, all I can think about is when I can get back into the Kailak and go for a drive.
And this massive 446 liters of boot space gobbles up anything that you throw at it. Now all cars come with cup holders, but there's hardly any that can grip a cup like the Kailak, thanks to the smart grip bottle holder in the center console. And no matter who sits in the car, the Kailak is going to keep them safe. It's got 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill hold control, and even cruise control.
It's even got a 5-star safety rating from Bharat NCAP, the highest of any ICE SUVs in its segment.
Keeping me even happier is Skoda's Super Care program. So what is it? Well, it is designed to keep your mind at ease when you own a Skoda car. It gives you 4 years of extended warranty and roadside assistance, as well as 4 labor-free services. All of this ensures that I am at peace when I send my car to the Skoda service center.
The Supercare program is not just for the Kailak, but for any car Skoda sells in India. Awesome!
Clearly, the market agrees with me too, as more than 50,000 buyers have shown their love towards the Kailak. It has helped Skoda become the 7th best-selling brand in India in 2025, making the Kailak Skoda's best-selling car in its 25-year history in India.
October 2025, the festive season saw 8,252 customers taking a Skoda home.
It was launched just a year ago, so join me in wishing the Kailak a very happy and successful first year in India. So why should you pay attention to the Kailak then?
Obviously, the Supercare program is the best deal of the century, just like the Kailak.
It is the most versatile car in its segment. It's got European engineering, great handling, a turbo petrol engine in every variant, the best automatic gearbox, which is also the most accessible torque converter automatic gearbox, and so much boot space that even I can fit in it. I I know I made the perfect decision by choosing the Kailak, and I know you want to make that decision too. So when are you going to your nearest Skoda dealership to book one?
Don't worry, you'll find loads of them since Skoda is present in 183 cities across India.